Good morning. This is meteorologist Steve Krasinowski with your storm scoop report from Weather Briefings, where accuracy is everything. Today is Tuesday, October 27th, 2020, and we'll call this one Hey Zeta. It is October, and we still have another storm to talk about. And there she is. She is a beaut. So Zeta's, this is latest WRF develops an eye when Zeta gets back to hurricane intensity, brings the storm in just west of New Orleans. But this is something we're going to need to watch. It could fluctuate. Zeta center is just emerging off the northern coast of the Yucatan as per the latest recon flight. There's that recon flight for you. Here's towards the center. You can see the eye wall winds there. Approaching hurricane speed. Interesting differences between some of our high-res models regarding Zeta's structure. Once it's fully back over water today, we'll get a better idea. But the WRF has a nearly closed eye wall by 18Z today, while the Hermann remains disorganized. Both models deepen Zeta to around a 970 millibar hurricane by landfall. Risk for a predecessor rain event, that's called PRE. Appears to be showing up in the National Weather Guidance. Notice the area of heavy rain ahead of Zeta over the southern plains into the Tennessee Valley tomorrow. So that will make sure that the ground is nice and soaked for the continued soaking that will come after that. So flooding will be an issue. Models are locking in a scenario for an eastern Louisiana strike from Hurricane Zeta. Also seeing Genesis possibilities risk for the Western Caribbean after Zeta exits stage right. So again, we are not done. Bringing it closer to home, next 12 hours will be rough in parts of Oklahoma Metro. Weak isotronic ascent, saturated low-level shallow cold layer, and a weak cold air advection should keep temps in the mid-upper 20s with scattered freezing rain showers. Would be surprised if I would not be surprised if you woke up with some power outages. Definitely can't rule those out. According to this model, the peak temperature anomaly from this cold wave on the front range of the Rockies occurred in northeast New Mexico yesterday afternoon, with isolated locations observing temperatures that were more than 60 degrees below average. It's just crazy. That's the weather in the Four Corners sometimes. It's just nuts. Wednesday is going to be a very interesting day as the new mid-latitude cyclone gathers a lot of cold air around advancing forward, and the deep tropical feed nose down. Our eastern thermal clash will be underway shortly. We want to peek a little bit further into what's going on. So the remnants of Zeta is going to get pulled into another storm system. This will affect the middle Atlantic and the Northeast, bringing the first real possibility of snows into New England and even into New York. This is the 4-day probability of snowfall, around 2.5 inches. You can see where those outlooks are. Snow around 30% probability trends to be the key for verification. So we have our first snowflakes of the incoming cold season, continuing to look more likely for western Mass up into southern Vermont, southwest New Hampshire, into Maine. Early Friday morning after a soaking rainfall from Zeta's remnants, work through the western Mass region Thursday afternoon and night. The transition to a colder mix into finally snow into the northeast will bring the first dousing of white stuff on the ground. So more things to come. I am meteorologist Steve Krasinowski with your Weather Briefing Storm Scoop update. Have a great day.